Hello guys, good morning. Good morning. It's Megan Ryan and I'm back. I'm back after a few day break. So yeah, I did not trade Thursday, Friday, and yesterday was a holiday, Monday. So today I traded IC or ISEE. No idea what kind of stock is this. Probably healthcare. Healthcare says bio here, but I've only traded the open of this, and because I only have 30 minutes, you can see. So I actually stopped trading around this time here. Um, yeah, you'll see in my recording, and I'm back on my desk now and see what happened. Oh, I see. Boom! Look at that. So yeah, I was kind of right that it's gonna do that, but since I know that I don't have the time to to do this move because it's the first day gap up. First day gap up. Normally it continues. It's strong second day as well, and probably a third day there's going to be a sell off. But normally that's what's happening. But since today I didn't have time, so I only had a few areas to trade off, which is I like here 90 area. That's actually where I wanted to trade. If it prints 90, then I'm going to trade this 81 here for a short, and eventually, yeah, I actually wanted 1216, but look what happened. It actually reversed back and it stopped me out of the rest of break even. Yeah, and I tried shorting it again here last trade because I had to leave around 950. I think I had to leave 950. Stopped me out, and then it eventually did what I wanted. Yeah, so that's the move that I want. A second short. This was the first short. Second short did not work because it was just too fast. Uh, so I see. So that's the short I did. 79. I was actually early, which is actually not early. Above 81. So that was actually late, not early. And took profit, and I stopped at a break even and shorted again at 1364, risking just to have the candle. And stop out a break even. Yeah, so it was a good great day. I'll take it, even though when we see this kind of moves, it happens because but we don't see this daily, so I don't want to get too invested. I don't want to invest my emotions too much in that one because it never happens every day. So I'm happy what happened here, and I caught a move. Yeah, I reached my goal. Yeah. um yeah, so what else? BBBY was on my list as well, but really it was not moving at all. BBBY. BBBY. So really, the levels I have here is still from previous days. Really was just shopping around, only range about 63 cents for the day. I knew that it's not, it's kind of hard. It's going to be hard to trade. But I see, man, 73 million volume. That's crazy. Uh, yeah, that's crazy. But I'm happy. But yeah, let's watch. I'm sorry I did not trade for the past 2 days, Thursday, Friday, because I took a break. It was a great green month for me, so I just needed a break. Yeah, I got bored. So yeah, let's watch, but let's look at the scanner first, maybe. So pre-market, this is what I see in the scanner. As you can see here, uh, literally IC is right at the top. Arvel is 130. It's 130. So I expect IC to move crazy. That's crazy Arvel, and volume is 13 million, 20 up 27%. So I know there's a chance that it will still continue, but I only have first 20 minutes to trade, so I don't want to risk anything. Take it long. I'll just trade the price action. That's why I shorted right away when it failed at the open. Yeah. So let's watch. Oh, this is crazy. So it's about three gigs recording a 1.5 hour video. I might need a new hard drive. So actually, I wanted to take this long at 12. I was really close to taking it to 12, but yeah, I missed it. I kind of regretted it. If I took this long, I could have been a long bias and trade this above VWAP. Uh, I could have traded this really good. Yeah, so let's look at IC. Was watching BBBY and IC, but I was only focusing on IC because crazy R ball at this. So let's look probably faster just to literally see it. So as you can see here, I have 1280. I have $13 area here that I want to watch. Uh, Not too far from VWAP, so it's still really a good area to take it long in case it goes parabolic at 13. Uh, okay, so that's the sell off. So that's about a 20-cent range, right? That's the sell off. I'm looking at this now at 1290 and 1293, and high of day is 1297. Probably a good area to take this long to 13 just in case everything's too far. I shorted because there was a sell off that I felt. Took some off. Took some off at what's this, a VWAP? Really good. Okay. Let's go here. So that's the one-to-one move there, but I haven't taken a lot. But I was waiting for this 1216. Actually, that's what I wanted. Yeah, still holding my shares. Took half there. Okay, took more because I thought it's really gonna go back right away. It's being bought. I don't like that wick. So there you go. I reached my goal just there. I'm still holding a bit of a share. That's amazing. That's amazing. Take profit here. But I wanted 1216 in case. It looks like someone's buying it at 12, this area here. So I took more, almost all out when I got the chance because someone's buying it. You can see in the prints. Actually, go more green prints. See green prints there. So I thought it's gonna stop me out right away here. Okay, so I kind of like that wick. That's why I didn't get all out because I like that wick. I thought it's really gonna drop to 1216 and probably $12. Yeah, but it did not. I think yeah, it did not. Yeah, $12 was actually I was really close to taking this at pre-market, but I didn't have any levels around this time here because it's I think I came in 905 or something, and I was really close to taking this $12 area here, but I didn't have any levels yet. So it took me about 10 to 15 minutes, and that's gonna stop me out. Yeah, the squeezing. I was really close as well to getting in, but I'm done just within the 5 minute trade. For me, it's like maybe not. If you look at the 5 minute candle, it's actually a really good area to take long. And $13 maybe risk 60 area. So this moved about 77 cents. You can literally just risk VWAP. Yeah, literally you can see that one. You can literally just risk VWAP. Gonna break out. And I was like, okay, gonna squeeze. Of course, you don't wanna chase that because it's a squeeze. Okay, so there's a $14 level. There's a seller here. You don't see it. There's a seller here at 14. If it rejects, it looks like it's rejecting. And I have a level of 1372. I took a short, risking just the high of candle. So 486, yeah. So profit. I thought it's gonna drop more. Yeah, it held this 1325. I just decided to stop up myself or stop at break even. But 14 actually is a really good risk reward area in case. Okay, but I'm done trading after this. We can literally just mentally day trade this and see what happens. So there's a $14 there. It's gonna be hard for it to break because it's a bit too far from VWAP now. So it held $14. Someone's selling before that. And there's a huge seller here. You don't want to chase that. You don't want to chase that unless it's right at the level or kind of close to moving average or VWAP. So yeah, you don't want to trade that too long. I'd say probably short it if it rejects again. Yeah, this is probably a good area to short right here. Yeah, that that I should have waited. I should have waited, but I was looking at the time. I only have 5 minutes, and I had to leave. Yeah, for this week, I will be only trading 20 minutes. If there's a chance. But next week, from next week, we'll trading normal hours, maybe 1 hour, 1 hour per trade per day. Let's password this. Yeah, this was the one. This was the move. The right, it's the right at VWAP. This is where you would want to take considering. This is what where you would want to consider it taking long because it's back at VWAP. It's back at opening price. So don't chase. If there's a parabolic, just let it go. If there's a parabolic move, you can actually and short the pop and risk the high of day and just always stop out when it makes new high of day. That's how I would do it. But you have to try a few times. Like here, you have to try 2 times, right, for you to get a good move. But I was just okay. So putting a note that I was going to leave. I need to leave my desk. Be back in an hour, which is just right now. Okay, so let's see how this became parabolic. So it's really holding this 1281 here. So there's a level that I marked. So there's 1308, 1281. So that's an area whether it's gonna lose at 81 or it's gonna break out of this $13 here. Let's see. So it breaks, touches back 1308. Okay, you can actually enter here. So that's because that was a sell off a little bit, and then there's a fight. Now it's back to 14. If this like a short for me as well here. I don't know if it's gonna be a short. A short 14 level there. See and take profit somewhere 63 or 50. But just an uptrend here. If it breaks this, no, come on. Yeah, it's strong. It's strong. Not breaking that 72 there. Oh, that's a nice wick. That's a nice wick. Yep. Yeah. It's being held. Higher highs. 1360. See if we can take long here maybe. Here. Let's say 80. Yeah. That's our average. There. Yeah, it's making new highs. It was it's nice watching in fast forward because you can literally see how it's struggling. 1372. I know how much it went to where. Wow, that's the 50-cent move. That's crazy. 3% move. Yeah, you don't want to short the stock. I mean, you don't want to short it now. Okay, recording is done. Yeah, so I'm happy with this, even though we missed the whole move there. Even though we have a move like that, like who knows it's gonna move what, how much 60%, 50%, 55%. Like who knows, right? Who knows? 62%. So for me, I'll, I'll take whatever the market gives me. I'm happy. I don't want to be too greedy. I don't want to get FOMO with this. I don't want to think that this will happen every day. You know, but I'll probably have to learn why this happened, how this happened, if this will happen again. Yeah, that's kind of things. What to do. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and follow me on my social media.